Welcome to the Universal Billiards Dallas showroom. In North Texas, you simply won't find more square footage dedicated exclusively to game room furniture. Whether you're shopping for pool tables and shuffleboards or poker tables and arcade games, you'll find it all under one roof here in scenic Farmers Branch. Right off of I-35, just north of Valley View, we have curated a selection of beginner to professional level accessories. Everything you could possibly need to outfit your game room and maximize your fun. Unique to this store is our high-end room, which boasts a large collection of the finest, high design, and customizable pool tables and shuffleboards around, with emphasis on American-made and made in Texas products. Just like the commercial and residential designers we work with regularly, you'll find our fun, maze-like layout is home to a myriad of other exciting games, like air hockey, foosball, table tennis, and more. Nothing beats seeing these unique products up close and in person. Our knowledgeable sales staff is dedicated to making the process straightforward and fun, so you can assemble the game room of your dreams with confidence. And you'll rest assured knowing that our team of in-house, uniformed, full-time game room mechanics will handle your delivery and installation from start to finish. Universal Billiards is open to the public, so stop by sometime and find your game room inspiration, or just play a few rounds.